So for our first equation, I want us to calculate in our head (21) divided by 3. Awesome. And when you have that answer, put your thumb on your chest. I'll just give you time to draw our array. So 21 divided by 3. Ella, LJ?
7.
Does anyone have a different answer? So y'all think so. You have a different answer, Whitney?
7.
You think so. So that's not a different answer.
Oh.
I agree with you, Ella. How did you calculate your answer?
Well, because I just know that 7 times 3 is 21, and then you just have to arrange it.
So I'm hearing you think of this as a multiplication problem. You're thinking 3, what number multiplied by 3 will give me 21? And you knew that was 7. Interesting. So I look at this as 7. Now I want you to calculate 30 divided by 3. Oh, just put your thumb when you have that. 30 divided by 3. What do you have, Alex?
10.
Does anyone have a different answer? And how did you think of this, Alex?
Well, I know that 10 times 3.
So you are again thinking of it as a multiplication problem. Now I want you to calculate 51 divided by 3. I see those gears turning. 51 divided by 3. What are you thinking, Whitney?
I think it's 17. Because in our other equations, we did 21 divided by 3 equals 7, and 30 divided by 3 equals 10, and 21 plus 30 equals 51.
You notice that 51 can be broken into 30 and 21, and we already had those problems for us divided by 3. Nice. And I saw some light bulbs going off in others' heads, like, oh, we'll see if we can keep using that. Now I want you to calculate 60 divided by 3. 60 divided by 3. So fast I can't keep up with my arrays. Noelle, what do you
I think it is 30. And how I got that was I saw that our second equation was 30 divided by 3 equals 10. And then I just added, I did 30 plus 30.
So you know 30 plus 30.
Equals 60.
Okay.
And then I went through the equation, but just
You're there. Okay, so using our second problem, 30 divided by 3 we know is
10.
10, okay. So if you know 30 plus 30 is 60, what do you think I'm going to do with this 10? So I would say 60 divided by 30 is, or 60 divided by 3 is 20. I agree. Next, and I really like that you noticed, yeah, we have a problem here that can help us. I think you'll see a pattern. Now I want you to calculate 81 divided by 3. Ooh, I'm seeing hands up. Annabelle.
I got 27. Because I noticed that 30 and then the 30 divided by 3 and then 51 divided by 3. And then I added their answers up 10 plus 17 and then 5
Next, you noticed 81 equals 30 plus 51, and we have both of those already. Now we're switching gears a little bit. I want you to calculate 140 divided by 14. Oh, nice. Again, you're outpacing my arrays. Evelina.
10.
And how did you think about that?
Because I know 14 times 10 would go back in the
Nice. So again, going back to thinking of this as multiplication. What times 14 will equal 140? Awesome. Now I want you to think about 154 divided by 14. See if we can use what we know. 154 divided by 14. Can I take a guess at it, Charlotte?
I think so.
Okay.
So the difference, we can point.
Can you what? Can you point? Sure.
So the difference between these two is that it's just added 14 here.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe I'm gonna add 14 to this. Or what am I gonna add
Okay, so you're noticing that there's a difference of 14. Okay, maybe one of your classmates. That's okay. You're right. There's a difference of 14. What are you thinking, Noelle?
I think we're gonna, the answer would be 11. Because you're adding another 14, so that's basically 1. That's equal to like 1 basically.
Sure, yeah.
It's like adding another group of 14. Because it's, like if it was 11 times 14, it would be 11 groups of 14, or the other way around.
Nice. Great. So Charlotte, when you were right that there were 14, there's a difference of 14, we would think of that as maybe 14 divided by 14. One more group, as Whitney and Noelle were saying. So yes, it is 11. Another piece of paper. I want you to see these two problems. Okay. 280 divided by 14.
200.
Nice to see our gears turning. Oh, some people already think they got it. Remember, see if we can use what we know. 280 divided by 14. Alex.
I think it's 22.
I heard 22. Okay. Does anyone have any different answers?
No. How you got that was I know that 140 divided by wait no I'm gonna change my answer.
Okay.
20.
To 20.
Yeah.
Okay. Talk me.
140 is just or 280 is 142 times, and so you just double the answer.
Yes. Can she give us 1 minute? Yeah. Yes, Annabelle.
I noticed something about this. I don't know if this even has anything to do with it, but maybe with this particular problem it does. But 280, and then it's kind of weird because divided by 14. 14 is basically half of 28, which if it was 28 divided by 14, it would look bigger. But I still don't remember. It's still, yes.
Oh, I love the if so many. What's up?
So, I saw for 140, 14, if you just, do 140 plus 140, that's 280.
Yes.
And then,
Yes. That sounds
yeah.
like what Alex said. I'm glad that great minds are thinking alike. We have one last one. 294 divided by 14. 294 divided by 14. What are you thinking, Charlotte?
So I'm not sure if this is the answer, but like our last one, we were just adding 14, another 14, and we got to with 11 as our answer. So maybe since we just adding another 14, maybe the answer's going to be 22. Because we're doubling it.
So you notice that we're adding 14 again. We know that 280 divided by 14 gives us 20. What do we do again if we're adding another group of 14? If we're adding another group of 14, do you remember what we said? 14. So we can think of the Charlotte as 14 divided by 14. Do you remember what that would give us? Not here. Would give us 1. So we have 20 plus 1.
21.
21. That's okay.